Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the physical setup, cables secure, and the correct monitor input selected. Once done, right-click the desktop and choose Display Settings to jump into resolution controls. You should note the current resolution and scaling so you can revert if needed. Make sure to identify which screen is which when using multiple displays. This first step gets you into the right panel fast. It prevents accidental changes to the wrong monitor and saves time later. You'll now pick the optimal resolution from the drop-down. Prefer the one labeled Recommended because it matches the monitor's native pixels. If elements are too small, change scale instead of lowering resolution. Scaling preserves sharpness. After selecting a resolution, click Apply. Windows shows a 15-second preview and asks to keep changes. If you don't see crisp edges or black bars, revert immediately and try a different setting or check the monitor's own menu. These finish by confirming the display driver and monitor settings. Open Device Manager and update the display adapter driver if you lack the correct resolutions. An outdated driver often limits options. Then verify the monitor's on-screen menu for its native resolution and set picture mode to PC or native. If things still look off, swap the cable or port, or test the monitor on another PC to isolate hardware from software. One key troubleshooting tip: an alternate cable often reveals a simple physical cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.